How to measure. Congratulations on deciding to build the kitchen of your dreams with goFlatpacks. The first and most important step in turning your kitchen idea into a reality is the planning and measuring stage. Firstly, familiarise yourself with the goFlatpacks planning document to understand the steps you're going to take to measure up your space. We recommend having 2 copies of the graph paper, one for a rough sketch and one to transfer all of your measurements onto accurately. Draw a rough sketch of your room and mark in all the points you need to remember to measure, including waste pipes and utilities, windows, and any other elements that may affect the placement of your kitchen. Start by surveying the space that you're going to be measuring. It's good to visualise your space and measurements even before you get out your tape measure. Now it's time to measure. Begin by measuring the height from floor to ceiling. Do this in a couple of locations and record your measurements. Next, measure the lengths of all your walls to the corners of the room. Again, do this in 2 locations for each measurement, one low and one high, and record your measurements for each location. Next, measure the width of any doors and windows that are located within your workspace and record their measurements. Once complete, note the locations of your windows and doors within your workspace by measuring from your window or door to the corners of your room or the end of your workspace. Lastly, it is time to record the positioning of your existing waste pipes, utilities, and light switches by measuring to the centre of each one. Here, this particular kitchen design incorporates an island bench, so you'll need to measure out from the walls to the utilities point. Once you have all your measurements written down, it's time to transfer these onto your graph paper, this time using the scale and marking in your dimensions accurately. Now your workspace has been measured, it's time to design using the cutout templates from the goFlatpacks planning document, or by drawing in the cabinets according to your specifications. That's right, it's completely your choice. So let yourself loose and design the kitchen of your dreams, exactly how you want it and to fit your workspace perfectly. Good luck, and once again, congratulations for choosing goFlatpacks.